Hi dear, so a student in the Event Craft Academy sent this picture in Event Craft Academy requesting that I show her how to make this turban. And it so happened that I saw a video that I had recorded some time ago on how I made, well, the base, something similar to the base. I already have some the other parts somehow in some other places, so I'll just be giving a guidance to everyone so that everyone would also learn on how to make this lovely turban. Now, to start off with, the material used here is called yuri yuri. That's what it's called where I am. Do let me know in the comment section below, what is it called where you are in your location. All right, so then let's look at the base. Now, this is how I made something similar to the base, but here I made use of this silk material. Now you're going to be cutting out two pieces of material, and each of them are going to be measuring 20 inches by 15 inches. Now the 15 inches is going to be on the stretchy part. That's assuming that you use a stretchy material, which is advisable anyway, but of course you can make this design in a non-stretchy material. But for a stretchy material base, what you need is 15 inches for the stretchy part by 20 inches, and you need to cut out two pieces. Okay, so let me show you what you will do with one piece, which is the same thing you replicate in the other piece. Now on the 15 inches, I'm going to be folding it into two. That's going to form our band. Now why we're folding it into two is so that the edge, the trimming, the fray will not be showing, so you have a smooth lining. So you fold it into two, and I'm making use of safety pin to hold it because, well, my office pins seem to have disappeared from my design room. All right, so I'm holding it down like so. Keep watching and learning. Please, you need to stay to the end of this video so you don't miss any vital points. The next thing you want to do is begin doing your pleats, and as you pleat, you take your pins and you hold them down. So of course you will check your picture to see the number of pleats that were done so that you replicate exactly that if your client wants that. So after you're done with that, you're going to do the same to the second part. Now I can't just remember why I didn't put it up, because there's a part that I didn't record. Now when I wanted to sew it with the way I have cut it, I noticed that I won't get the turban coming out right. So what I did was I cut out the excess from each of the pleated part, just leaving only my pleats. Then I slanted the pleats when joining it together, then cut out a plain material totally different, and that material was measured 23 inches by 12 inches to join to the edge of the pleated part, and that's how I formed this. So if you can look at it, you'll get an idea of how that was done. And don't forget to do the tacking all the way around to give it this curve at the edge. Okay, then this part that I labeled green, that you can see the green arrow, is called artificial leaves, and that you can buy in store with the sell hat accessories or even things for making bouquet. Now to make the loops, you can join me in the Event Craft Academy Turban Class 1. There's a particular class that I did on this particular turban which will help you out, and it's not exact. What you need to do actually is it will help you out on the cutting and what to put inside. Now you can put crinoline, you can put pad, but crinoline would be the best so that it will get in that puffy stuff. And then you measure. What you do is measure from put it on a mannequin head, and you measure from the middle of the head down to where you can see the location of the bow. That will give you an idea of the length you should use. Double it by 2 because you're going to be folding it, and then you start reducing the length by 2 inches to give it that different layers, and you do the number of them. So that's how you can make this lovely turban. Just in case you want to see how I got this done, the design that I put on top of the turban, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you gain value from this video, please do give me a thumbs up. And if you have a design you want me to help you out, sometimes I do give full videos either on YouTube or Telegram, and sometimes depending if I have something close, I will just direct you. You could join us in the Ventcraft Academy. The link is in the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed, I wonder what you were waiting for. Click that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, and check out this next video which also would help you out in making a turban.